Are you struggling to manage your finances in QuickBooks because your currency isn't right? Today, I'm going to show you how to change your currency in QuickBooks and even set up multi-currency so you can run your business smoothly no matter where you are in the world. First, head over to QuickBooks Online in your web browser and sign in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your dashboard and click the gear icon. This is your settings hub. Everything you need to customize QuickBooks is right here. From the settings menu, select Account and Settings. On the left, you'll see several tabs. Click Advanced. Scroll down until you find the Currency section. Here, you can choose your home currency from the drop-down menu. If your business deals with multiple currencies, you'll want to turn on the multi-currency feature. This allows you to record transactions in different currencies, making international business a breeze. After making your changes, don't forget to hit Save at the bottom of the page. That ensures your new settings take effect immediately. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully changed your QuickBooks currency and even set up multi-currency if needed. Now, your financials are perfectly aligned with your business needs. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions.